May
Ayun, ako tuloy ito,
infinity blade sa likod.
target natin, oh.
Sige lang.
Maraming
Mga
brawl na
naka-cover,
magagaling sa likod nyo ngayon.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Southeast side,
pinapatay ko.
brawl lahat to.
Titang, sa mo may ditang swatch east, okay? Come east,
May
guys.
SOB rin so hindi makakita agad itong mga to.
Parang ang daming
Kung saan
BM.
naman pupunta yun sa atin dito sa likod, eh.
Putang ina.
Nag-walk lang sila, nag-walk lang sila, guys.
Dismounted yung nasa southwest mo na infinity blade,
Come southeast, come southeast. Come southeast, guys, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come east, come east, come east, come east, come east.
One ditang behind you.
Inside the bridge, inside the bridge, inside the bridge, inside the bridge, inside the bridge. Yo, east side on me, ready, east side on me, ready, okay? Wait.
I-page na kayo buong northwest mo naka-dismount na.
Northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, northwest now, catch him mountain!
Yun! Cleric.
Push him northwest!
Halika
Play
na,
around the
snap,
bridge
halika
only,
dito.
play around the bridge! Play around the bridge, come northwest on the bridge, brawl northwest! Come northwest! Hold the bridge, come northwest, keep going west! Potion now! Potion!
Nice, good to see.
Inside the bridge, northwest! Southeast on the bridge! 5, 4, 3, 2, southeast on the bridge! Walang damage pa rin, pre. Guys, southeast on the bridge! Come southeast! We need to play. Ditang on the southeast! Come southeast! Nagago, ganago lang tayo dito, pre. Hindi tayo makakait.
Mahirapan ako.
Hindi ka sunod sa akin, pre.
Mamatay tayo.
Find my crown, guys. On my crown. 5, 4, 3. Everything on my crown. Hit my crown. Wala pa rin? Gago, wala talaga? Guys, 100.
Mamatay na yung pinito mo.
The clap comp is gonna fail when we cannot even clap.
Pumatay na si One.
Clap comp is gonna fail if we cannot kill, guys. That's our only chance. We catch them mounted. Wala pa ring damage. Walang defensive yun, ha. Nakamount sila. Kita niyo yung pre, wala.
Kita ko.
Ang dami ng pre kung napatay natin yung tapos na. Pwede mag-walk in. Binibait ko lang yun. Mounted sila lahat, pre. Whole fight mounted sila lahat.
Matay din si Onero.
Grabe!